Johnny brought a then he bout to run up on ya. Huh? We'll get high then, huh? He got PTSD. You never seen a dead body. He got PTSD. Look, born up in the belly and bullets and sirens. Conky jungle seeing death and the shock of surprising. Mama praying like a pastor is deaf to my ears. I see smokers on the corner and visuals appears. Stains of bloods on the block, plus his blood's on the block. Ain't the neighborhood watch when everybody got a Glock. Look, nights full of liquor, it's smoke in my lungs. Johnny keep it 10 toes, that don't run. Look, grab his phone, call up some we chasing skirts. Wait, who was that? Who was them? Pray they don't lurk. Wait, double back, spin round the corner and get to work. Oh, that's so and so. I heard he a snitch on paperwork. Bow, lay him down, can hang with the demons and telling. Prayer for him, send him to Jesus with wings and feathers. He's a lost soul, but ain't dying at your demise. It's a post-traumatic mind, and that's something I emphasize. It's on the corner getting high in California. Huh? Lil Johnny brought a and he bout to run up on ya. Huh? We'll get high then, huh? He got PTSD. You never seen a dead body. He got PTSD. Look, we don't wanna feel no, we number with substance. Drop the burner seeking God, we feeling reluctant. Inflicting violence on ourselves, then blame it on government. Ain't my brothers, let's stay blood and call it a covenant. All these bullets flying daily, that sound like a war zone. For the flags on the casket where mothers go more slow. I killed the man who killed my brother, ain't get no awards though. Protect my country, me, my corner still coming for yours though. See my homie lose his soul, it left through the torso. Carry caskets, we was kids, no army salutes though. If the pain had uniform, we all be in fleet mode. My been to war too, we just did it in street clothes. It's on the corner getting high in California. Huh? Lil Johnny brought a and he bout to run up on ya. Huh? We'll get high then, huh? He got PTSD. You never seen a dead body. He got PTSD.
Pay attention to the peers that struggle in silence. Eradicated all this fear, addicted to violence. All the folks that wasn't near, they come with a bias. This is post-traumatic stress from that's dying. Pay attention to the peers that struggle in silence. Eradicated all this fear, addicted to violence. All the folks that wasn't near, they come with a bias. This is post-traumatic stress from that's dying.